Kita na nung kasauna.
You are about to be taken into the different troop numbers of the Misamis Oriental Girl Scout Council.
Dari na lang kung tadayang ta.
This candle, which I now light, represents the spirit of scouting,
Tingaw.
which hope will guide you all throughout your life.
Ano sa to?
The three candles,
Dito ang takam trabaho? Nag-shooter?
which will be lighted soon, represent the three parts of the scout promise.
Ayun, nag-largo.
These candles shall
Permit na
shine
Thailand.
as a symbol that the Girl Scouts are true to God and their country.
Last.
May the light of the second candle shine as a symbol that the Girl Scouts' greatest desire is to be of service. Lastly, may the light of the third candle shine as a symbol that Girl Scouts are true to their ideals as represented by the Girl Scout laws.
Te, ang mga Cub Scouts nagdagandagan na.
A Girl Scout is loyal.
Si ma'am. Hari. Closing. Dito. Oh, sir. Ako sa videoan, pag-record ba? Puhon.
A Girl Scout is self-food. A Girl Scout is a friend to all and a sister to every other Girl Scout.
Okay, mag-una na ko lang dito sa Cub Scout. Ikaw na lang dito, pag-unan mo. Ikaw na dito sa Cub Scout.
A Girl Scout is sporty.
Diretso na din.
Dili pa?
Sa nag-using.
Saan man ni?
A Girl Scout is respect living things.
Next part of our program.
Is na scout pala ko. Ako sa nung nakadula na ako sila.
A Girl Scout is disciplined. A Girl Scout is self-reliant. A to God and all mankind. May we be useful and ever friendly be, and may we be faithful to God and all mankind. May we be courteous and ever kindly be, and may we be faithful to God and all mankind. May we be obedient and ever cheerful be, and may we be faithful to God and all mankind. May we be thrifty and pure in thought worthy, and may we be faithful to God and all mankind. Patrol leader, please present the respective patrols. I hereby present Patrol Manila, whose to my knowledge have successfully passed the requirements for the Girl Scout membership and are ready to become a pure fledged Girl Scout. I hereby present Patrol Ortiz, whose to my knowledge have successfully passed the requirements for the Girl Scout members and are ready to become full-fledged Girl Scouts. I here present Patrol Rose, who to my knowledge successfully passed the requirements for the Girl Scout membership and is ready to become full-fledged Girl Scout. Do you know what honor means? Can I trust you on your honor to fulfill your duty to serve God, country, and mankind as we live by the Girl Scout law? May I request the parents to please come forward to pin. Itawag na ang ilang pin, mga ginikanan.
Okay, so before sa maghatag sa tag-token to Mr.
Unsa man? Maghatag kag token after or ikaw na tawag ana ni?
Okay, so congratulations! So requesting the officiating the investing officer, Scouter Beha and Scouter Palma together with the Girl Scout unit leaders, Scouters Abeliana and Scouter Pitogo. Okay, to the parents, congratulations also the Patalan. Okay, Girl Scout na good mo. So I would like also to take this opportunity to give this token to our guests for this afternoon's affair. So may we call in Scouter Jeronimo Deha to receive our token as our thanks to Sir Deha for the insisting support nga sa kanunay, tumamitigil, pagtawad, diretso na yung sister. Okay, everybody, girls out, patangan akong tapakan si Mr. Beha. Dr. Beha, please receive this token of our thanks to you sa inyong unceasing support sa Makabayan Elementary School sa ating scouting activity. Okay, thank you, sir. Wala iwan, picture picture sir. Siya. Okay, so gamay na rin siya pero ginasintasing na kagatag. So, from Makabayan Elementary School, Boy Scout and Girl Scout. Papa! Thank you, sir. Okay. Let us sing Whenever You Make a Promise. Whenever you make a promise, consider it important. And when engrave it upon your heart. Sana na! Whenever you make a promise, consider it important. And when engrave it upon your heart. Okay, congratulations. Okay, Sherma, let us sing. We are the first now. We are the first now. Everybody sing. We are the first now. Members of the worldwide band. You're consecrated. You're dedicated to serve with heart and soul and hands. Forever to rise together to every ESP.
Uy, picture sa niya itong picture ko na dila dito sa tumakbak.
Unsa man?
Kabila ba yapil pag video?
Oh, nana.
Pero kapil pag video. Oh, ebidensya. Ebidensya na siya. Evidence.
Nag-record ko kay para ibutang sa YouTube para phone ko anana perminti naka kuha na daan.